We warmly welcome you to our video on the topic, What are virtual international courses? Virtual international courses are events in which students and/or lecturers from at least 2 different countries take part. The teaching sessions can take place online. This means that students and lecturers have not to be necessarily in the same place. That is why nowadays it is frequent to talk about the concept internationalization at home. This way, a seminar can be, for instance, held with German and Colombian students without that one of the student groups must travel to the other country. Virtual international courses can take place fully online or in a hybrid form. For a general definition of hybrid instruction, see our explainer video in the NIDIT media library. A virtual international course can be carried out synchronously, for example via a web conference tool, asynchronously, for instance in the form of a virtual self-study, or by a mixture of synchronous and asynchronous elements. An example of one of those mixed forms is the flipped classroom model. Here, students prepare the learning contents independently in an asynchronous learning phase. Subsequently, a synchronous meeting takes place in which students primarily exchange ideas, clarify open questions, and discuss and reflect on the learning contents together. The combination of virtual international courses with international face-to-face meetings is also possible. Here, the digital teaching sessions can be, for example, a preparation or a follow-up to a face-to-face meeting. As you can see, virtual international courses can be very different. What they all have in common, though, is the great potential to promote intercultural exchange at comparatively low cost with little expenditure of time and in a more friendly and sustainable way regarding environment. Virtual internalization of higher education is not only innovative and future-oriented, but also inclusive. This means that students who are not mobile, for instance due to family commitments or disabilities, can also take part in virtual international courses. Another advantage of virtual international courses is that they are not limited when it comes to a specific place. Students and lecturers from several different countries can be integrated in the course. This makes them more transnational than exclusively face-to-face teaching sessions. Virtual international courses are, for sure, also associated with numerous challenges. For instance, the digital format might hamper intercultural exchange or make moments of getting to know each other look more difficult. Furthermore, digital infrastructures are very different around the world. Connection problems can occur, for instance, especially in countries where technology is not yet that developed. Possible time differences must also be taken into account, especially when organizing synchronous international courses. These 3 challenges are mere examples that show that virtual international courses should be very well prepared and organized. We hope this video could give you a first insight into the topic virtual international courses. Thank you very much for your attention.